Hello and welcome to another video with F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. I'm Andy. I'm the fishing boat guy here at F&S. I sell most of the fishing boats, whether it be the Excels we're going to see in this video or Express. We are new with Excel. We are actually at Excel's dealer show in Union City, Tennessee. Right now, that's where this video is being taken. We've been Express for quite some time, and we've been in business for a long time, which I'll get in the video here shortly. But as you'll see with our Google listing and Facebook listings, we have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. Anyway, on to the new Excels. This is a brand new model for 2027. It's called the Fury, and they're going to make them in 1751 and 1851. So what that means is either 17 or 18 feet long and a 51-inch bottom. We're going to order them all with the aluminum trailers, the Easy Track aluminums that you see here with aluminum wheels. Many different color options with Excel. They have a ton of, it's almost endless, their color options. This one is mossy oak bottom line camo. They really are into their duck boats, and they have a lot of camo stuff as well. You see here's some more as well. But this is an entry-level boat. The whole point of the new Fury is to be an entry-level unit, but it is constructed just like all the other Excels. Excels are a completely welded together boat. They're one of the highest quality aluminum welded boats in the industry. And they're made, even these entry-level Furies, just like everything else. You see how it's hard to see in the video, but they're really put together. Standard spray and liner. This is similar to a truck bed liner, but it's sprayed everywhere, underneath every hatch and every lid and on the decks. Makes it very durable, and also quiets the boats down as well. Sorry, I'm taking breaks here, trying to wipe the sweat out of my face. It's over 100 degrees here in Tennessee right now, and man, it's brutal. I'm a wimp from Pennsylvania, not used to it. As you see, the trailers are super quality as well. This one has a jet on it, but they are a completely flat bottom boat, as you see here in the bottom. So we can either do jets or props. This one was ordered with a higher transom, or we can do 20-inch transoms, either 20 or 25-inch transoms. Special order, whatever you like. I'm mostly going to be stocking the 20-inch transoms for props, but whatever you'd like to do, we'd be glad to special order as well. Excel does a lot of that. Even little things like the eyelets there, look how big they are. Transom, transducer board welded on. Little holder there for the drain plug. That's the same they do in their high-end boats, but they're just doing it on these boats as well. See the spray rails on the side, direct the spray away from the boat. Be a drier ride. They're going to be 4-person capacity, whether it's the 18 or whether it's the 17. Back here in the back, cell phone holder, welded on. Kind of cool. Back here is where a battery will be located, and we can also get it with an optional live well, aerated live well, which would go in this spot here that has a black floor. So we can get it either way. I'm probably going to stock most of them with aerated live wells. But again, we can do whatever you'd like. Take note of how they're put together. Even this basic Fury, these are really put together, these boats. This one has gun trays on either side, but we can order with a gun box if you would rather have a box on one side rather than the tray. See the switches back here for nav lights, bilge. We can also order with spotlights up front. If you see other videos of Excel boats, you'll see what I mean by that. Track system is standard. That runs both sides of the gunnel. Up front is where we're going to be putting the fuel tank. Probably going to be mostly running, see how it's blowed up. Oops, sorry, it was blowed up. It is so freaking hot here. Oh my God. But we can run up to a 12-gallon tank in this boat. We'll probably mostly run 6 gallons, 6 or 9s. Trolling motor shelf, and we could also get them special ordered with trolling motor wiring as well. Big Excel logo there, it's a vent for the fuel tank. They also are going to offer this same boat in a side console. Bear with me as I run up the line here. These are just other models of Excels, which I'll have videos of here in a second. But this is a 17-footer with the side console. And even the 17-footer has a very nice aluminum trailer. But they make this console in-house, and they did a really nice job. The quality of that is I've been doing this a long time, and I'm very surprised by that. That's a forward way of thinking. It gives you extra room, but it's really a nice, sturdy console. Yeah, that's not a half-ass aluminum or plastic. It's hard to tell, but the 17-footer, of course, is a little bit smaller. And this one also has the aerated live well, which I mentioned, that is back here. We welcome special orders at F&S. Take another quick lap around here so you see some more of the boats at their dealer show. I mentioned us and our service at F&S. We are privately owned. My dad is the owner. He started, my grandpa actually started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. Dad spun the boats off in the late 80s. I've been here over 30 years myself, but we're very service oriented. If you see our reviews or lots of YouTube videos, we're just all about service before, during, and after the sale. We do a lot of custom installs, which you'll see on our YouTube as well, of completed customer boats. We do a lot of that. We have customers from all over, and we get a lot, very involved riggings with a lot of our boats, and we do completed videos when we're done, just to make sure we're on the same page. But you'll see a lot of those videos on YouTube. I appreciate you watching. If you have questions on the Furies, the 1751 or 1851, please feel free to shoot me a message with any questions. You'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. You also might have noticed that most of the boats here have Suzuki's on. We are Yamaha exclusive, but Suzuki sponsored this event and they paid for it, so they have all the transoms have Suzuki's on them. But anyway, they're good motors too, but we're exclusive Yamaha, and I appreciate you watching. Let me know if you have questions on this boat or any other boat. Have a good day.